Hey everyone, welcome back. If a recent transaction is not showing in your bunq account, here's what you should do. First, refresh the app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the app, close it completely, wait for a few while and reopen it. Then check your internet connection to ensure the app is syncing properly. Then make sure you're looking at the correct account if you have multiple accounts inside bunq. Some transactions, especially card payments, first appear as pending before becoming finalized. Give it a few minutes to update. If you've just made a payment, the merchant may not have processed it, so it may not be showing instantly. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the bunq app, and update it to the latest version. Then, if the transaction still does not appear after some time, contact bunq support for assistance, and that's how to fix the bunq transaction not showing clearly and safely. Subscribe for more quick fixes.